Let's have a go at cutting some curtain bangs in my hair with these scissors. I don't know what kind of scissors they are, but they're sharp, and let's do it. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing absolutely fantastic. Me, on the other hand, I think I'm having some issues. The first issue is I washed my hair this morning, I blew dry it, it was all lovely styled. I went out in the rain and this happened. Yeah, feels lovely and soft, looks weird. But yeah, I thought, I know, let's do something nuts and potentially ruin my hair, because why not? So I thought curtain bangs. I've kind of got some layers or feathers or whatever you want to call them in the front of my hair to start off with. But I think I'm not happy with them. I don't know. I think they need a change, and I'm going to do it with these. So like I've already mentioned, these are just little scissors. I don't know what kind of scissors they are. I did have hairdressing scissors. I've put them somewhere. I cannot find them. They're in a safe place. So yes, we have these. We have a comb, and we have a water bottle somewhere. This is filled with water. And yeah, let's just go ahead and ruin my hair with some curtain bangs that I'm probably going to mess up. Yeah, stay tuned. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. But yeah, let's just get on with it. Let's make some bad decisions. I can't remember where I heard this. I could be totally wrong. But you start off with the centre parting, and then I think you measure like 2 inches, or depending on how thick your hair is, up your parting, and then depending on how thick you want your bang to be, so it can either be to the middle of your brow or the end. I'm probably going to go to the end, possible. We'll soon find out. So yeah, the first thing is I do have a middle part, but it seems to be a bit wonky, or is that just my eyes? I'm literally just working with a vanity light. My vanity mirror is behind the camera, and I'm going to be doing this in my monitor because I can't see the mirror. No. I'm going to move the camera angle up so I can look in the mirror so I can at least see what I'm doing properly. I don't know what I'm doing. Right, I can sort of see in the mirror. The only thing is it's quite far away. I should be wearing glasses, but everything I'm saying is not good. Why am I doing this? Why? I don't know why. But yeah, let's straighten the parting. I think that's kind of centered a bit better. Whatever, yes, it will do. And yeah, 2 inches. 2 inches, which is what? To about there? Is that 2 inches? 1 inch, 2 inches. Oh, that seems a bit far back, doesn't it? Right, how far does this go? Okay, that goes quite far back too. So why does that go like that? You're supposed to do that and then a triangle. And I've got all this extra hair. And then I'm going to take it to my eyebrow, I think. Right, so I think I have the first triangle. It's going to be a bit weird because I've got baby hairs there, so we'll just try and ignore that monstrosity. Right, so there we go. I think, does that look even? Does it look even? I think it does, but that's not so much because my eyesight's not great. But I've tied the rest of my hair back to proper separate it. I don't know how short I want to go with this. I don't think I'm going to go too much shorter because that is quite short. And plus I'd rather take a little bit off to start off with, and if I don't like it then work my way up instead of just taking a chunk off straight away. But yeah, wet it. Right, so it's here. I think I'm going to go for... I don't know, I'm short hair. I think I'm going to go for my lip, bottom of my lip, I think. So what's that, 1 inch? Yeah, we're going to take 1 inch off. That is not straight. It's really not. What's happened here? I don't know. I think it is. It's as straight as I'm going to get it in anyway. Right, now get the parting back. Apparently what you're supposed to do... Is that parting straight? Yeah. Apparently what you're supposed to do is get one side of the hair, comb, and then put your fingers parallel to that line and go down. Take it any shorter, so I'm going to leave this end here the same length and then go up on an angle. But yeah, you follow that line parallel down with your finger, bring it across, and then there, cut along where your finger is, so you'll have a triangle of hair coming off. Like that. So if you see that line, that's at an angle, it should match that, and then you bring it down like that, and then you got the gradient. Ooh, please let that work, please. I'm stressed. So like that. Then take it from the longest bit, which is this side here, to there. Gonna get the middle pieces and bring them down. Yeah, same length, yay! Yeah, it goes down on a slight angle. It's just same, I think. Yeah. Right, so I am gonna get my dryer and just quickly dry that off, and then we're gonna try and shape the other pieces in with it so it frames the face. I have no idea what I'm talking about, but let's just do that. I'm going to pop some heat spray on actually because my hair's already damaged enough with all the bleach. One step styler, here we go. And there we go. I have no idea what it looks like because I can't see. But let's get my parting back. Ooh, ooh. I like it. Right, let's let this hair down and try and blend. So that's it with my hair down, but obviously this is a mess. So I think, if I can remember correctly, so where the 2 inches are where I stopped for there, you're supposed to go an extra ½ an inch further on. Yeah, ½ an inch further on. So that's what I've just done there. So we'll go ½ an inch, which is about here. Before I start cutting these bits, I'm just gonna use my blow dryer just to straighten them out a bit. Have a blade, this is what I use for dermablade, and this is a fresh one. I have not used this, so I am gonna, right, so that's where my curtain bang that I've just done stops there, so I'm just gonna ever so lightly just right, I'm gonna go to this side and do exactly the same. Oh my god. Right, so looking at this side and looking at this side, there's a bit more going on here, so I'm just going to take a little bit more off with my blade. I think that's it. Right, so and then you're supposed to thin the bang bit out, so let's separate them from that. I don't want to thin it out too much because I like it where it looks heavier, but God knows what kind of faces I'm pulling for this. It's going to be a minute. I'm going to take my hair down and then I am going to just put my blow dryer through this as well and then blend it all in together to see what it looks like. Right, let's do it. Guys, so there you go, styled. This is what it looks like and I really do like it. I think it's blended really nice in my other hair. I like it a lot, I think. But yeah, I think I took about an inch off, maybe slightly just over an inch, but it's given me so much more shape here. Again, you saw me with a blade give me some shape here too, just to blend it in. So this is what it looks like when my hair is flicked under. Sometimes I do style it when it's flicked out, so hopefully it'll look okay like that. Sometimes I go natural with my hair, which means that it's wavy and textured, so fingers crossed that'll be alright. Yeah, and I kind of like the fact when I go to put my hair up, I'm going to have bits fall down, which could be nice because that's going to be framing the face as well. But yeah, guys, I'm really happy. Have you put your own curtain bangs in before? If you have, comment down below and let me know what your results were like. Guys, I am not a hairdresser, so take what I've done with a pinch of salt. I'm lucky, I like what I've done. I really like what I've done. So yeah, don't do what I've done unless you're absolutely confident, which yeah, I wasn't when I did it, but be it on your head because it will be on your head. That concludes the video, so if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.